you'll come to know that that phone or that smartphone, that gadget that you're holding in your hands, is more than a phone, is more than for scrolling, for chit-chatting, for sending lovely messages for Valentine, or for putting things that are hurting you in your heart. It is a money-making machine. Provided you have a smartphone, you have data, you're good to go. You're fully employed. I would be surprised someone of this era, when you have those two, you're still asking yourself, where has the government put us? You guys, please hold on. In today's video, I'm going to be letting you know the different ways of using your smartphone to make money. I'm bringing this video because of a fan that asked me today some questions, and I saw it dim at least to come and highlight it a bit. I know there are very many people who are like you. As you'll be listening to his voice note at the end of this video, allow me dive in. But before I dive in to show you the different, in particular, the 5 best or major ways of using a smartphone and make money on a daily basis, let me first say thank you to all our engagers, all people that have been there for us. You guys, we don't take you for granted. We love you so much. And this is a disclaimer, you guys. I'm giving you less than 10% of what you're supposed to get. This is an educational video. We just bring for you tips, the tips that some of the things that have helped us and have helped also other people. Then you go and look for yourself 99 or 95%. If you find they're helpful, you go ahead. If they're not helpful, you just drop them. So for you who is asking yourself, Tina, Immaculate, can you help me and take me through how do I earn money with my smartphone? Earning money on the smartphone is quite broad, and it is a big project. It is not just is something that you're imagining. So we have different ways, and today it is for beginner friendly, for someone who just heard of people that are earning money with their smartphone. For someone who wants to begin, these are simplest ways, easiest ways, free of charge. The first one I termed it as WhatsApp status marketing. WhatsApp status marketing, we mean daily cash. How do you use WhatsApp status marketing? Imagine, I know if you're watching me, whichever country you're in, if WhatsApp is not banned, of which I know there are very few countries that have banned WhatsApp, or they don't have WhatsApp, you have a WhatsApp. And if you have a WhatsApp, I want you to go and check. There is what we call a status or updates. This is the place that you can utilize every day and you get money. You get daily cash. How do you utilize it? One, you can post your products, or you can post other people's products. You can post services. You can post digital offers. You can post anything that you can turn into monetary terms, anything that you can turn into cash. When we're talking about posting products, we don't mean you to go and have a shop, a physical shop, or you have stock. No, you don't need to have stock. What you need to do, you need to know you can post someone's products that are accessible to you. If you want to know more details about how to use WhatsApp status and you make money, please put it in the comment section. What you need to do, you need to be like a middleman. You connect people, because not all of us we know that there is a camera, a glass camera. Not all of us we know that there is a smartphone that is as a very big or a very cheap as you might sound. So you can be a middleman, and there are people who are out there who are your customers, your contacts, and you can continue getting the contacts. So I'm giving this as I give it around 78%. Why didn't I give it 100? Because most of us, we are still beginners, and since we have not yet known how to handle WhatsApp status, we know it might be hard for you. But slowly by slowly, you will know how to post, even how to post effectively, not random posting on your status. Then the second one is Facebook content creation. When we are talking about Facebook content creation, it's where we come in and say views, plus value equals to money. Most of you have smartphones, and these smartphones, they have inbuilt Facebook. If it is not there, you can download it, but Facebook is something that almost everybody now, provided is not an infant or a kid, they can access Facebook. Whether you're below 18, but at the guidance of someone, you can access Facebook. So I'm talking to someone who is above 18 years. So if you're above 18 years, you have Facebook. And what do you do with Facebook? Facebook, on content creation, you can start posting content. You can start posting tips, short videos, reels. You can start posting texts. You can start even utilizing Marketplace, all these ones. As your page grows, Facebook will pay you for duration and views with engagement, and at the same time you'll be building a brand that brands are going to look for you depending on which project or which niche are you in. Let's now continue and YouTube Shorts with your phone. You guys, as you watch me, this video is on Facebook, is on YouTube, and is on TikTok. Now, how do YouTube Shorts work? You record a video, and afterwards recording a video that you want. Maybe it can be on advice, like what I'm trying to do. It can be on tutorials on education, daily life, teaching something. You know, it shouldn't be a big deal, but the results are really big. So the moment you upload consistently, you can see how I upload. However much I have a bigger schedule, I make sure I upload every day because I want money, and that money is so sweet. That's why they will see you are not ordinary, and people will wonder. So post consistently and you see the results. What do you need? I want you to remove this thinking that if I don't have a camera, if I don't have an iPhone, I cannot do YouTube. No, that's a lie. And also the second misconception is about views. YouTube does not pay as to views or as to subscribers. YouTube pays as to your value, the type of niche, the audience. So all this, the duration, all this, you will need to learn them as you move on. You don't first learn to start. You start, then you learn as you go. The fourth is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote and earn. How do you access affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, you can do it globally, like in form of you join affiliate marketeers programs like Amazon, Jumia, digital products apps. All these ones, they can give you access. As long as you've joined and registered, you'll get access, and you have links. Like now, you can have a link and know, for example, if I bought this one on Amazon, I would be, and if I want to do affiliate marketing, I would be advertising it, and I'd attach a link. Whenever you buy something through that link, or you buy, even if you don't buy the same product, but through that link, you'll earn some great amount of money. So when someone buys, you earn. Without owning even a product, you don't need to buy a product. About selling digital knowledge. When we're talking about digital knowledge, it's about ebooks, it's about guides, it's about tutorials. These ones they help you to package what you know into small PDFs. Like if you want an ebook, eMarketer has an ebook. Knowledge is passive income, as always tell you. So stop asking where the job is. The job is in your pocket, the job is in your hands. Start using your phone like a worker. And me, I'm a bit of, now I reached an extent of being very, very keen with my phone. My phones, I don't take them for granted, because that is my office, that is my business. So your knowledge, the knowledge you have, the skills, everything you do is money. So guys, let me hope you gotten something. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment and like it. And above all, start today. Don't wait for tomorrow.